the home inspection process came about simply because people were buying homes. You know, you're paying hundreds of thousands of dollars for homes these days. Okay. And, you know, you walk into a house, you know, they've been renovated, they look pretty, the kitchen's nice and new, and the bedrooms are nice and painted. And what they don't realize, because they don't know what to look for, they don't realize what is behind or what the functions of the different systems do. So they go move into the home. Next thing you know, they've got leaks in the ceiling because the plumbing wasn't installed right. Um, and these jobs can cost thousands and thousands of dollars. My neighbor just went into we live in a townhouse. Neighbor just went into a brand new renovated townhouse. Okay, same age as ours. You know, looked really beautiful, really did. And 2 weeks after they moved in, their living room ceiling come crashing in because they had a bathroom leak upstairs. Now, we can't find hidden stuff. A home inspection is simply a visual observation of the home and its components, okay? But we have educated ourselves into the point that we can recognize the signs of what is going on within the interior of the home. So by having a home inspection, okay, even minor electrical issues could save you the cost of your inspection if you know ahead, and that can be negotiated out before the actual closing on the home. So you want to have knowledge. Again, we come back to knowledge. You have to have that knowledge base. If you know what's happening, then it can be fixed. And then the responsibility for fixing can fall on either the buyer if they choose, or if they choose not to, they can go back to the seller.